Welcome to Science A Plus Global Practical Session. In this video, you are going to construction of a simple cell. Some sources can generate electricity by chemical reactions. Examples are dry cells, simple cells, and car batteries. Let's make a simple cell. You will need dilute sulfuric acid, a small beaker, a center zero galvanometer, pieces of connection wire, copper and zinc sheets. Clean the copper and zinc sheets thoroughly and connect a piece of wire to one end of each sheet. The positive and negative terminals of the galvanometer should be connected to the copper and zinc sheets respectively. The copper sheet is considered as positive and the zinc sheet is considered as the negative terminal of the simple cell. Fill half of the beaker with dilute acid. Dip copper and zinc sheets into the acid, without letting them come into contact with each other. The generated electric current is shown by the indicator of the galvanometer. Simple cells are not in use in day-to-day activities, because of some weaknesses in them. Some of them are. The difficulty of using them is because it contains liquids. Inability to obtain current for a longer period. Today there are cells and batteries which are easy to use and can supply more current. Thank you for watching this practical. Download the practical manual and an activity sheet from our website. Check out our channel to watch our other practical videos.